Hello and welcome to another day on planet Earth. Just look at this glorious sunshine. I'm currently on the A39, the Atlantic Highway as it's affectionately known. Just past Bude, heading towards Trevone, which is down near Padstow. This road, the A39, the Atlantic Highway, it's an absolutely amazing road to ride. However, I made a bit of I gave myself a bit of a challenge or a frustrating day out on the bike because it's Saturday afternoon, it's a beautiful day, and it seems that everybody wants to be on this road. So getting to Trevone is going to be, it will happen of course. I love this corners that's coming up, and it's just such a shame that I've got this car in the way. Dealt with that. So yeah, the A39 Atlantic Highway. It's a beautiful road, bikers love it. However, because it is the main road on the North Devon to Cornwall coast, it gets busy as heck. There's hardly any overtaking lanes, so you've got to pick your own opportunities for overtaking. It is quite a wide road in sections, however it's been busy as heck up until now, and my arrival time was starting to creep away from me due to just the volume of traffic that I was having to choose to overtake, and the traffic coming the opposite way, which is limiting the chances. However, since we've cleared Bude, the road has cleared out a little bit, which is cool. So hopefully we can get a nice little run at this road, get down to Trevone. So look at this crazy man. So why Trevone? Trevone, well, it's a beautiful place in its own right. It's right on the coast. You've got the nice cliffs, beautiful sandy beach. However, there's a load of sinkholes. There's a great big sinkhole that I discovered. I didn't discover it, somebody else had found it, obviously. I discovered for my first time, the first time for myself, when I walked the southwest coast path and I passed through Trevone. And I've been meaning to go back for a while. It's just been choosing the day and finding the time. And today, everything's come together, so I've got a good chance to get down there today, get the cameras out, get the drone out hopefully there's not too many people around the sinkhole. So yeah, get the drone out, check it out, hopefully get some great shots for you. But if you've never been this far south, if you've never been down to North Devon, Cornwall, North Cornwall on the A39 Atlantic Highway, you are missing a bit of a gem. I won't lie, it does get busy, especially in the summer, because like I mentioned before, it is the main road that is on the north coast, and well, there's no motorways in Cornwall, so you either got this or you get the dual carriageway that runs through the centre. However, this is the road to be on. Hopefully those cyclists don't drift. And it's got some stunning features. Obviously you've got all the greenery around you, and you get corners like this, and if you get a perfect run at this, as in nothing slows you down, nothing gets in your way, this collection of corners, this section here and the one I've just done, they're amazing. However, you often, like I say, Saturday afternoon, you often get a car or a truck even in your way, so you just got to be patient with them and pick some clean overtakes. The good thing about this road is because it's so wide, you often get a lot of you get a good view of the road for a long period of time. It's not like the hedges are right on top of you, where you're just basically limited to what you can see within those hedges, but you do get to be able to read the road ahead quite often. So from where I live, it was 60 something miles to Trevone. I've got 29 miles to go, so I've done half distance already. Half of that time was trying to get to Bude, and North Devon, Barnstaple to Bude is a busy section of the A39, because Bude is a stunning place. There's a lot of campsites there, so you get the campers going in their caravans or campers and their VWs, and then you also get lots of people who go surfing, because it is pretty special for the surfers, I believe. And of course, being farming country, you get a lot of tratters on this road. So according to the sat nav, I'm going to be there at, in what, 35 minutes, half an hour. So I'm going to enjoy this, and I'll catch up with you later.
Okay, so I'm feeling slightly overdressed, fully bike geared up, helmet, cameras, drone, and everyone's down the beach in their beach clothes. Hey ho! However, just walking along the coast path. The coast path says here it's 5 miles to Padstow, and I believe Nuke is that way. So Nuke is that way, Padstow's over there, I think. So yeah, just gonna walk along the coast path, and the sea is stunningly blue. It's so clear down here. The waters are so pure and clean, which is cool. It's good for bathing, making sandcastles like somebody is down there, and paddle boating and stuff, because it's pretty calm today. So I'm not far away from the sinkhole, and there's people in the sea swimming, so it must be nice down there. Playing football on the beach and stuff, so it's a good day for it. Good day for getting down the beach, guys. So just go over this sty thing. That's the animal control thingy without killing myself. Whoa, like I said, easier said than done. So I should go follow this path. Take the middle path, not the high road, not the low road, but the middle road. So it's a great day, guys. So maybe bike gear is too much. But I didn't really fancy leaving my jacket down at the bike. Hold my helmet. I'm not that I don't trust anybody. However, I don't really like my helmet to be out of sight. It is there to protect me, just in case, and I'd like to know it hasn't already fallen on the floor and been damaged. So that's me. Very obsessive about keeping my motorcycle helmet safe. So I'm gonna let you check out this sea, guys. So if you've never been to this part of Cornwall, get your butts down here, check it out. I don't work for the Cornish Tourism Authority, but I should. Okay, so there is somebody at the sinkhole checking it out. See if I can get the drone out and they're okay about it. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to chill out I'm going to check out for a second and I'll catch up with you in a sec. Bye bye. So drone's been out, been flying around, taking some well, I think cool photos, some cool videos, so I hope you appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I've done. I'm going to walk myself back to the cafe. I'm going to walk myself back to the cafe where the motorcycle's parked, and have myself a little cappuccino or something hot and caffeinated, just to, I don't know, just buzz me up a bit more. But I've been chatting to some people who are on holiday, they're walking the coast path, so yeah, having fun. So again guys, if you've never been to this part of the country, if you've never been to the southwest, then check it out, and on a great day like this it's well worth it, it's well worth the effort. So I'm going to leave you with some more footage of the sea, so take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.